So I think a lot of the stigma behind this event as a shop owner is like sending your technicians to another shop and they're like, oh my God.
To the forbidden land.
Yeah, Karr is so nice and my guys will never come back to work after this. But I don't think it's really like that. I don't think there was anything I had to worry about with my crew, and I know you didn't have to worry about that with your crew. And we've had such a good relationship over the years that, you know, doing this shop to shop has really helped us out and helped us network within our Fort Myers area. And we kind of want to branch out, and we don't want other shop owners to be scared of doing that. Is there anything you want to touch on as far as that goes?
Yeah, I didn't have that fear at all. When I came to your training event, the first thing was I felt like gratitude. I didn't feel like, what's the angle?
Sure,
you know?
yeah.
And other people would feel probably differently because it is a unique thing.
It is, yeah.
So when we did it, I was like, man, I didn't feel like I was gonna get poached. But when I realized the training that was there, I knew it was a heartfelt, we're gonna give people the training. It was not centered around, let's watch what these technicians are capable of so we can take them later.
Absolutely.
So the stigma, what you were mentioning, was gone right away once I saw the training event.
Good.
And the same thing here, you know, as a result, you have technicians who get each other's numbers, they text, and if they're in a problem, it's like having one big shop.
Oh yeah,
like
absolutely.
when I needed timing tools on whatever I was working on, I text you. It was the first thing I thought of, and that was because of our relationship that we built.
The networking really makes it work for us. You know, I mean, there's no one shop out there that can just do any and everything all alone. I think networking with other like-minded shops and shop owners, borrowing tools.
Yeah, man.
Hey, that one time my tire balancer was down and I was waiting for the repair guy, what'd I do? I came over here to balance some tires. I mean, we do what we have to do.
And I gave you a good price.
And having that relationship, it helps us network, and I think that helps us get to the next level of these training events.
Definitely, man.